Assalamu alaikum dear students. Uh, I hope you all are fine and you are doing your work regularly at home. Today our topic is exercise 3B. First exercise 3A we had already done, and to understand exercise 3B we have to understand first some different topics which is on page number 39. Started from page number 39. First topic is even and odd. Underline the definition of the even numbers here. A number which is exactly divisible by 2, it is an even number. This you had already know about it. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 all are even numbers. And a number which is not divisible by 2 is an odd number. This also you know very well. Any number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 is an odd number. After understanding even and odd, I am going to explain you here about the prime numbers. We can classify our natural numbers or our counting numbers into different sets. First even and odd, and then we can divide into another set which is prime numbers and composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? Look here at the definition. A natural number that has only two distinct factors, namely 1 and the number itself, is a prime number. Underline that definition. Any natural number, a natural number that has only two factors. You know very well in the from previous video about the factors. The number which has only two factors, namely 1 and the second factor is the number itself, is called prime numbers. So here I have an example for you. The factor of 2 is 1 and 2, because 2 is only divisible by itself and the number 1. So 2 is a prime number. The smallest natural number is 1 is not a prime number. The smallest natural number 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only one factor. 1 does not have two factor. Underline that line as well. It is very important. Someone's you have considered sometimes you consider that 1 is a prime number as well, but 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor, not two factors. So the definition of prime number has one, not one, two factors. Okay, now these are the some examples for you from 2 to 10 that 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number because it has two factors. The number which only has two factors are the prime numbers. Now move on for the composite numbers on page number 40. Composite number. Here is an important line for you as well. 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Just keep this in your mind, underline it as well, that 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Rest of the prime numbers, and we have all, every prime number is an odd number. 2 is the only number which is even but prime as well. Now move on for the composite number. Underline that definition. A number which has more than two factors is a composite number which has more than two factors. The number 4 has three factors, which is 1, 2 and 3. So it is a composite number. It's very easy. The number which has two factors are prime numbers, and the number which has more than two factors are composite number. Now other composite numbers are 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So natural numbers can be divided into two different sets. First we divide natural numbers into odd and even numbers. Then we divide natural numbers into prime and composite numbers. So what is the difference between odd and prime numbers? This is an important thing. Just read it once. 9, 15 and 21 are odd numbers but not prime. Why they are not prime? Because 9, 15 and 21 does not have two factors. 9, 15 and 21 have factors more than 2. So these numbers are odd but not prime. Even numbers and composite numbers. What is the difference between them? 2 is an even number and a prime. 2 is only a number which is even and prime both, but not a composite number. 2 is not a composite number. It is only prime number that is even. All the other prime numbers are odd. All the prime numbers are odd. Every even number which is divisible on the table of 2 are composite number. So 2 is the only number which is even and prime as well. Rest of the even numbers, all the even numbers are composite numbers. Now here is an important topic on page number 41 as well regarding your exercise 3b questions. Twin prime. Twin prime are pairs of prime numbers with a difference of 2. It means that twin prime numbers are that prime numbers which comes at your counting together, each which has only one even number between them. It means that first our first twin prime number is 3 and 5, because between 3 and 5 we have only 4 which is even number. 5 and 7 are also twin prime numbers because 5 and 7 have only 6 even numbers between them. The numbers which has only one even numbers between them are the twin prime numbers. So 11 and 13 are twin prime, 17 and 19, 41 and 43, 71 and 73, and so on. The number which has only one even numbers between them are the twin primes. So here let's talk about prime triplets. The only known example of a prime triplet is 3, 5, 7. The prime triplets are only one example of prime triplets is 3, 5 and 7, because these three numbers are the prime triplets. It is important for you to understand about the twin primes and the prime triplets. Now move on for exercise 3b. I hope you understand that even, odd, prime and composite concept. Now move on to page number 42. Exercise 3b. Question number 1 is state whether the following are true or false. The sum of two odd number is also odd. Add any two odd numbers, and if the sum is odd then it is false. If the sum is odd then it is true, and if the sum is not odd then it is false. So it means that the sum of two odd numbers is also odd. If you find the even answer, so it is false. The sum of two even numbers is also even. When we add any two even numbers, our answer is also even. So if it is even, so then it is true, and if answer is not even, it is false. Every prime number is odd. You had already listened from the previous definition that every prime number is odd. No, because 2 is the only prime and even number which is prime also and even also. So every prime number is not odd, it is false. Every natural number is either prime or composite. Every natural number is prime or composite. Every natural number is either prime or composite. या तो वो, it means that maybe it is prime or maybe it is composite. So it is also false, because every natural number is not, because 1 is the only number which is not prime, not composite, because 1 has only one factor, so it is false. 3 is a composite number. False, because 3 has only two factors, it is even number. There it is odd and a prime factor. There are many prime triplets. No, we had only heard about the one prime triplet which is 3, 5 and 7. There are not too many prime triplets. 6 is the smallest even composite number. 6 is the, no, 6 is not the smallest even composite number. Smallest even composite number is 4, so it is false. The greatest prime number of 2 digit is 97. Prime number of 2 digit is 97. Yes, it is true, because 99 is our greatest number, but it is not a prime number. 99 is odd number but not a prime number. So greatest prime number of 2 digit is 97. It is true. Classify the following into odd and even numbers. You know very well about how to identify even and odd number. The number which has even at one's place is even, and which has odd in one's place, it is odd. Do that question by yourself. List the prime numbers between 50 and 75. First you have to find all the prime numbers between 50 and 75 and write them as the answer of question number 3. Find the pair of twin primes between 50 and 80. To find the twin primes between 50 and 80, you have to write all the prime numbers first between 50 and 80 and then find which are the twin prime numbers. You can write it very easily. Now express each of the following odd numbers as the sum of three odd prime numbers. Find any three odd numbers for which the sum of their is equal to 19. Here I have done one for you. Look here for part 1, 19, 3, 5 and 11. When we add that three prime odd and prime numbers, we find our answer 19. So that's how it is your mind test. Find any three prime odd numbers. The sum of these three numbers are 35 and 95. Do that question by yourself. Next 5 question I will explain you in my next